In today's rapidly urbanizing world, cities are facing a growing problem, that is, environmental degradation. With the rapid urbanization, greenery is disappearing, leaving behind concrete jungles. Our cities are losing green space, leading to increased pollution and a disconnect from nature. But what if I told you there is a solution right above your heads? Introducing Eco Roofs. As we all know, our rooftops are always empty and unused. Our mission is to turn these unused rooftop spaces into lush green gardens that benefit both people and the planet. Now, no more reliance on oxygen cylinders. Your rooftop garden will become your natural oxygen generator. Join us in bringing nature back to the city and making our cities greener, healthier, and more sustainable.
Eco Roofs, where every rooftop tells a story of sustainability and beauty.